Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create neon outline text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm going to import text image. You can create text image on CapCut or another apps, and I already have this text image, and just going to select effect, select party effect, can find your neon outline, just step one, add to track. So you go just for string, like so. We go. You can also add the another effect here. Okay, that's how to make neon outline text effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.